Today's word is obfuscation. It is a noun. It means making something unclear or hard to understand on purpose. The act of hiding the true meaning of something by making it confusing, complicated, or intentionally mysterious. Similar words include confusion, muddle, clouding. The politician's speech was full of obfuscation to hide the truth. He used big words as an obfuscation to avoid answering the question. The messy code was an obfuscation that made it hard for others to fix.
Why did the teacher talk for an hour without answering my question?
I think it was just obfuscation to avoid admitting she didn't know the answer.
Emma uses the word to describe how someone is making things confusing on purpose to hide a fact. Think of it like adding fog to a window so nobody can see inside. It comes from the Latin word obfuscare, which means to darken. Have you ever tried to confuse someone on purpose so they would stop asking you questions?